Yes guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about the only two chest exercises you really need when it comes to building a big chest like this. And you only really need to exercise for the chest. You don't need to be doing like multiple chest exercises, because then that'll just create more fatigue, and especially within the chest as well. And it will impact your recovery, and you're just going to end up doing too much volume. It's just too much volume for the chest. So I'd rather you do less exercises with less sets and with more intensity than do higher volume, more exercises, more sets, and lower intensity. But anyways, let me tell you, the first exercise that you guys really need to do is any sort of incline pressing movement. So I personally do incline dumbbell press because I feel like with dumbbells, it's more stable for me when I do it with dumbbells. But yeah, whichever one you can pick, whichever incline variation you can do, as long as you stick to it and you pick the one that you enjoy the most. So you can do like an incline barbell press, incline Smith machine press, or even a machine press. But I'd recommend picking a compound movement because you'll build the most amount of muscle from it. So do like a incline dumbbell press, incline barbell press, or incline Smith machine press. And you can also do a machine chest press as well, where you just sit down. Let's say, pretend I'm sitting down, but you just sit down and you just do this. But I would really recommend it. I mean, you can do that, but it's better to pick a compound exercise because you'll build the most amount of muscle from it. So pick an exercise. Your first chest exercise must be like a exercise that directly targets the upper portion of the chest. So because in my opinion, the most important part of a chest for me is more of the upper chest than the mid chest and the lower chest. But anyways, yeah, that's the first exercise I'd recommend you guys to do. And for the second chest exercise, you can either do dips, weighted push-ups. You can do a pec fly as well. You can do a incline barbell press as well for the lower chest. But I'd recommend, for most people, especially for beginners, and if you're someone that's fat, then you don't really need to do dips. But if you're someone that's, starting off their fatness journey, that's skinny, or skinny fat. Oh, you can do it actually when you're skinny fat, but if you're like skinny and your goal is just to build muscle, then I recommend doing a dip. I recommend doing dips. Dips are amazing. I love dips so much, which is hence why I do it. Or you can do weighted push-ups instead. But ideally, if you're a fat person, then I don't think dips wouldn't really be a good option for you. Since when you're fat, you don't, unless if you can, lift your own body weight. But if you can't, then I'd recommend not doing dips, and you should just do a machine pec fly, which pretty much targets the overall chest. So I'd recommend you guys to pick any two exercises, one that targets the upper chest and one that targets either your overall chest or like your mid chest and lower chest as well. So yeah, that's it for me. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you want more information on how to get lean, then click the 12 to 15% body fat guide link down in the description within this video. If not, then the fact that you watched this video is good enough for me. And I'll see you lot in the next one.